And Rayson Santeria. And on the outside, Dolbelia, Prapubel in the middle, Ironheart down on the inside, Fun and Brace alongside, and Manhattan is the retrailer, Santeria, Prapubel. And on the outside is Dolbelia, Ironheart racing forward by Darrell rushing of Spun and Brace, and Manhattan is running at the tail of the field as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Bell by a length and a half, followed by Santeria. Dolbelia is racing in third by some 3 lengths. Alongside is the favorite Fun and Brace, Ironheart, and Manhattan still running at the tail of the field past the last 900. Bell, Santeria. Joining them now is Dolbelia. Fun Embrace, the favorite, racing for by a length and a half. And during the last 800, the lead is taken over now by Dolbelia. Fun Embrace getting closer from the outside. Santeria down on the inside. Bell is racing for by a length and a half. As they race the last 450, Dolbelia, Fun Embrace, Santeria down on the inside, and Bell racing towards the final turn, and into the long Santana stretch run, with Dolbelia, Fun Embrace firing up for the lead. Santeria down on the inside, high on art, and still Dolbelia, Fun Embrace firing up for the lead. Fun Embrace from the outside, Dolbelia, Ironheart, Santeria, and nearing the last 75 meters more to run, the favorite, Fun Embrace, and finally, Fun Embrace, Dolbelia, Ironheart, Santeria, Manhattan, and Bell comes last.